Hey guys, it's Natasha here from Artgecko. You may have heard me on such podcasts as Get to Know. I highly recommend you check it out if you haven't already. But yeah, I'm here today to talk you through an unboxing video we did of the latest Scrawlr Box. Because we had the pleasure of getting involved and having a bit of a collaboration there. So in this month's Scrawlr Box subscription, you can get 3 Spectrum Noir metallic paint markers, a Posca 3M black marker, a Jelly Roll Moonlight pen, the Derwent sketching pencil, it's 2B, the Artgecko Square Toned Sketch Tile, which is an exclusive to Scrawlr Box, and obviously you can't forget about the Werther's Original, which I will be tucking into later on. Along with that, you do actually get a little zine with like a quiz and all sorts of bits and bobs in there, a sticker, and also what's included is a print by the featured artist, who is Yeep Fung Ray, who is a Ruist artist. And this box's Scrawlr challenge is Out of the Darkness, which is the perfect challenge for this box. It's almost like they planned it. Here I am going through each of the pens, just trying out different marks, creating different shapes, and just showing you how the pens work. They're super metallic on the shady pad. They proper jump out at you off the page. So there's loads of things you can do with it. It's really cool. Along with that, you've obviously got the Jelly Roll pen, which again is really good for adding a little bit of tone in there, a bit of colour. You could do some really cool things. There is the Derwent pencil, which is super smooth on the paper. It's ideal for starting off your drawing and even great for shading. You've also got the Posca pen, which is perfect for adding details to the metallic marks you may have put on there, or almost erasing what you've done, creating negative space or adding extra detail in. The great thing about the square toned sketch tile is that the paper's so easy to remove, as you can see, and it holds the paint markers amazingly well. There's minimal marking on the other side, so you could technically do some double-sided pieces on there. Really good. Here I'm going to talk about a couple of products of Artgecko's that are equally great to use with the pens and pencils that come in the Scrawlr Box. Here is the Pro Marker pad, which I don't know if anyone has a freestyle, but they're the same paper as the freestyle. So they're super, super thick, super smooth, and they just hold the pen really, really well, and you can do quite a lot of layering there without getting any bleeding or puckering. Yeah, they're really cool. The paper in the Pro pad is a hybrid paper, which is specifically made for holding paint markers, meaning it holds the pens really well. As I say, this paper is in the Freestyle Sketchbook, so if you want something that's not in a pad, in an actual hardbound book, we also have the Freestyle available to use. Again, this pad, you can easily remove the paper, really handy, and yeah, really good. Next is the Artgecko toned pad. Again, like the one in the Scrawlr Box, it's exactly the same paper, so it's super dark and again holds the paint markers really well, allowing the metallic colours to pop off the page. This is, as I say, exactly the same as the square tile, it's just in an A4 pad. Again, it's got really easy page removal. Both the Pro Marker pad and the toned pad come in A4 and A3, so you've got quite a lot of options there. The pads as well have a soft touch laminate on them, so they feel quite nice. Yeah guys, so please make sure to check out the latest Scrawlr Box subscription and see what they're doing over there. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check out the podcast and all the other weird and wonderful fantastic stuff that we've got going on in the world of Artgecko. Anything that you create on our pads or sketchbooks, please don't forget to share on our socials. We love to see what you do. Yeah, happy sketching.